My name is Hunter, and I'm so honored to introduce to you these intriguing and majestic animals. There is nothing like seeing a killer whale up close and understanding more about them and their natural behaviors. We hope that this Orca encounter will help you better understand these magnificent creatures and all that they represent.
It's coming to us.
Living off the coast of Iceland are quite different than those in Costa Rica. There are at least 10 types or ecotypes of killer whales. An ecotype describes the differences between killer whale size, physical form, prey, social structure, and habitat. As you can see, the differences are subtle, but noticeable when compared side by side. Orcas are adapted perfectly to their environments. And even the whale's black and white coloration has a purpose. It camouflages the outline of their bodies in the water, making it easier for them to surprise and catch their prey. When viewed from below, the orca's white bellies match the brighter surface of the water, blending with the light above, giving them the perfect camouflage.
Located just before the white patch, camouflage from thrashing prey. The fin on top of the whale is called the dorsal fin and helps stabilize them as they swim and regulates their body temperature. And out of the water.
Killer whales are highly social animals with a well-defined social structure for echolocation or navigation.
Good luck! Great job, you guys! Let's give them a huge round of applause! Awesome job, you guys! Come on back up here! Killer whales are found all over our global ocean, so it is no wonder that they eat all because killer whales are the ultimate team players. These two spend a lot of time together learning, and every day we challenge him to learn something new. But as trainers, we hope that McConaughey inspires you to think more about conservation, ways that you can help his wild counterparts. To take what you learned here today, educate others, and be curious about the ocean and its inhabitants, and you can be the change. We challenge. Joining us today at Orca Encounter. We hope you all have gained a greater appreciation for these incredible animals. These two spend a lot of time together learning, and every day we challenge him to learn something new. But as trainers, we hope that McConaughey inspires you to think more about conservation, ways that you can help his wild counterparts. Take what you learned here today, educate others, and be curious about the ocean and its inhabitants, and you can be the change. We challenge our whales. Well, it's all possible because killer whales are the ultimate team players.